You ready to burn?
Ready, action!
Light it. You're lit.
10 seconds. 13.
You're out.
Perfect, that works. Go ahead and stand up for me. Okay, so fold out in half once, fold in half one more time. Place it in between two fingers, arms straight out to your side. Don't move, Kiwi will see that and know exactly where to slide. You can let go. It works every time, easy as 20 bucks, thank you. Interacting with his co-star, so I'm gonna take one of his favorite doggy treats, place it in front of our birthday girl for Bruno to focus on. Then I can step behind him and use a couple of my Bruno hands, and that's why we call this behavior the workaway. So. These are for the dog. It's not birthday cake. Stay. Good boy, Bruno. Can you get on your feet? Good. Where's your mark? Where's your mark? Stay. This is the workaway. Good. Watch. Watch it. Good. Lie down. Good. Side. Side. Stay. Straighten up. On your feet. Back up. Back up. Good. Sit. Sit. Lie down. On your feet. Stay. Good. Go Merc. Good. Lie down. Lie down. Crawl. Crawl. On your feet. All right, he can have it. Folks, that is Bruno.